In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move project to another team on Asana. Let's get started by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Asana and press Enter. From the results, click the official Asana website to head into your workspace. This approach keeps things simple if you don't have the app bookmarked, and it works the same on any computer. Once you're in Asana, navigate to the project you want to move. Here's the key thing to know up front. There isn't a direct Move to another team button for projects. The reliable workaround is to duplicate the project so you can use that copy for the other team. This keeps your structure intact while giving you a clean version to work with. Open the project and look toward the top of the screen near the project's name. You'll see an Actions menu next to the title. Click that. In the menu that appears, select Duplicate. This tells Asana to create a fresh copy of the project so you don't have to rebuild it from scratch. A duplication window will open. Here, you can update the project's name. It's a good idea to give it a title that clearly indicates the team it's for, or any other label your organization uses for clarity. This makes it easier for teammates to find and recognize it right away. In the same window, make sure project description is checked. Keeping the description ensures your context, goals, and any key notes are carried over to the new version, which helps prevent confusion later. If your original description includes important background or links, this step is especially helpful. When you're ready, click Duplicate Project. Asana will spin up a copy based on your original. The time it takes can vary depending on the size of the project, so give it a moment to complete. When the duplication finishes, you'll see the new project appear, with the title you set and the details you chose to include. At this point, review the new project to confirm that the description and structure look right. This is a great moment to make small adjustments to align it with the receiving team's needs, things like refining naming conventions or updating context in the description. You can also communicate the new project link to that team so they can start working in the correct space. And that's it. By duplicating the project and preserving the essentials, you've created a clean version ready for the other team to use without disrupting the original.